Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Clash Royale on PC full screen. To begin, you will need a reliable Android emulator. These programs create a virtual Android environment on your computer, allowing you to run mobile games seamlessly. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Selecting the right emulator is crucial for a smooth gaming experience, so ensure your PC meets its minimum system requirements before proceeding. Once you have chosen an emulator, navigate to its official website to download the installer. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. After installation, launch the emulator and you will be prompted to log in with your Google account. This step is essential as it grants you access to the Google Play Store, where you will download Clash Royale. Ensure you use a secure internet connection during this setup. With your emulator set up and Google account logged in, open the Google Play Store from within the emulator's interface. Use the search bar to find Clash Royale and then click the Install button. The game will download and install automatically. Once complete, launch Clash Royale. You might need to adjust some in-game settings, such as graphics quality or sound, to optimize your experience on a larger screen. To enjoy Clash Royale in full screen, locate the dedicated full screen button or hotkey within your emulator's toolbar. It is usually an icon resembling 4 arrows pointing outwards. For optimal performance, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM to your emulator through its settings. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. These steps will ensure a smooth, immersive, and lag-free gaming experience on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.